Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SteelSeries Arctis 7 Plus headphones and I'm going to show you how to connect them straight to your phone. So, you can connect it to both iOS and Android phone. Let me show you how it works. At first we have to remove our case from our phone. And now, as you can see, when I play music, it's playing on our phone. But when I plug our 2.4 GHz adapter into our phone and then play our music, you won't hear it on our phone, you will hear it into our headphones. So it works. If you do this the same with your iOS device, the same thing will happen. We are just ready to go. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.